Cold Flames. Check this dashboard out. Oh yeah.
Didn't let anybody in here. Now my love has gained this fame, yeah. Slipping in this darkness, yeah. When I heard my mother say,
Sergeant Hernandez Garcia up to DJ booth. And Marvin?
So, how do you turn this on? That goes on automatic. Oh, from the lights to the seats?
How's everybody doing out here today? I can't hear you. I said, how's everybody doing out here today? Alright, that's better rocking. Oh, and then one note. Don't put them on. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah, now I feel a reaction. September 19th, 2021, Stockton, California. Thank you so much. That's all.
Chrome on the ARs.
All right, sale in water, and as well as raffle prizes that we're going to be doing in another couple of hours. So go buy your tickets, support 24 Tots. And as I told you before, we got the only one Humvee that we got back from Afghanistan. It's here. Go take some pictures, okay? Thank you.
Cool. Okay, so I mean, saying there's a battery under the hood, right?
No.
Oh, just this is for the whole car here. Okay, so How fast is the response time on air? Just a general.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, okay.
It's good.
So is
Like that's why that's the big difference between it. So if you go hydraulic, your reaction time is quicker.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
boom.
Yeah.
The bags, depending on how many tanks you have and how much airflow you're going to it,
Yeah.
it's gonna take a lot of your reaction time.
Okay.
So if you got only one tank pumping out all the bags, it's gonna refill slower and it's gonna use all your air. Once you use everything and to refill it's gonna take some time.
Yeah. Okay.
This way with 2 tanks it goes pretty quick.
2 tanks. Okay. All right. So okay. So when you're on the freeway,
Yeah.
I've never really ridden in I don't know lowriders before, but on the air, is it more better, smoother?
It is. You'll depending on the air and the bags and everything, if you're good, you will get that little jump on it still.
So, but you have to figure out what your ride height's going to be. So, do you have gauges in the front that like,
No, I don't.
Or you just
Depending
eyeball it and figure how you're going to do
I
it?
just eyeball it. Depending on the setup you get, there is ones that you can do by your phone, and you can set it at a certain level,
Yeah.
and it'll do it on its own.
Oh, okay.
And I heard like that one you can when you're driving, if you set it up, and you want to, it does it. Just put on your phone, it does it.
Oh, okay. I have a 64, and I'm debating whether to go to air or hydraulics.
Hydraulic, yeah. It's
so-
really up to you.
Yeah. Yes, my friends.
I'm working on a Regal right now. I'm gonna put hydraulics in that.
Okay. But on the phone, you said we're gonna keep it more cushy. Okay, I got you. On the LS setup, was it pretty hard to do that? You did it yourself, or you?
No, you can do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's out of a 5.3.
Okay.
I got it at a 5.3 Tahoe.
And put the Corvette intake on it.
Yeah, exactly. Just converted it. Did everything.
So how you like that compared to the older
Oh, it's
night and day?
bro.
Night and day?
Get on and go.
Okay. Okay. All right. I see you had to get the smaller brake booster thing to clearance and stuff like that. But I've got parts at my house. I've got 61, 62, 63, and 64.
Yeah.
I got 2 LS motors already together. I got chrome suspension. I've been just buying parts.
Yeah.
And I'm getting to the point where something will have to get put together.
Right,
so I've been studying ideals to figure out what's the
here?
next. No, it's not here. They're in parts at home. I got a few cars, so I've just been accumulating parts from swap meets, from promoters, to turn lock to everywhere,
I got you.
buying stuff.
Are you going the carburetor or the?
Oh, it's already got this. Yeah, it's a 5.3 with that on it. Then I have a 5.3 out of a 2000. I mean a 5.7 out of a Corvette. Also, I have 2 LS motors.
You're doing your setup yourself?
Not really. No, I bought the stuff from the guys out in Sharp Performance out in Modesto, and they sold me a motor, put a cam in and everything. They fired it up for me, gave me the harness and everything. And the other one out of the Corvette, we just got the motor out of it because there's no transmission in the back. And so I'm just acquiring pieces. So when it's time to get dirty, we just go. We ain't sitting there, I gotta wait for the order, wait for that. So yeah, I'm acquiring parts. But I've been looking at
and
stuff.
whoever does it, man, just make sure they know what they're doing, man.
Yeah.
Because I had like 2 people work on this car that said they can do it. They stopped.
They claiming false stuff. Oh, I can do it, bro. Oh man, I didn't know about that. Oh yeah.
And I barely like a year ago, I'm barely getting the fun out of it.
Okay.
And it's just been going, but it was a lot of trial and error with the computer, with the gauges, getting it tuned. Had a little experience.
So you had to take it to somebody like and get it like tuned, like on a dyno machine.
Once everything's in, you gotta get it tuned because you gotta read all your sensors, all your intake, your rim, your whatever you got going on, your gauges. You gotta read the whole
get up. Okay. All right. So it all work together.
Yeah.
Okay. Looking good, man. I appreciate it, man. The time and information. My name's Rob, man.
Miguel,
all right. Good to meet you, Miguel.
You too, brother.
All right. So beautiful car, man. Beautiful car.
Something right here, you know that?
Oh, okay.
You know where the Yuki,
Yeah.
all that little area is that commercial? They're the guys for that.
Okay. Yeah. It looks real nicely built too. Yeah.
Yeah. 2 fans.
AC and everything, man. All right. That's good to have.
Vintage air.
All right. Thanks, man, for the information. Appreciate you.